It is for this reason why the scholars of the past, they used to say, be wary of the magic of this dunya, for it is worse than the magic of Harut and Marut. Whereas the magic of Harut and Marut, these were two angels sent to Babylon to teach people black magic. They used to separate between a husband and his wife. The magic of this dunya separates between a slave and his Lord and his Creator. How devastating is the magic of this dunya that takes us away from Allah Azza wa Jal. How devastating is the magic of this dunya, it takes us away from the remembrance of Allah Azza wa Jal. So devastating is the magic of this dunya, as the scholars have said, that the heart of the believer are like two scales. One scale, you have love for this dunya, and the other scale, you have love for the akhirah. When the love for the dunya becomes heavy, the love for the akhirah becomes light. And when the love for the akhirah becomes heavy, then the love for the dunya becomes light. Ya salam, such is our heart, subhanallah. We cannot love the dunya and the hereafter equal. If we love one, the other one will decrease in its love. If we love the other one decreases.